As business owners and community hubs, our focus has shifted to keeping our employees and guests happy, healthy, and safe. And in order to accomplish this, we've also had to shift our approach. American Business Machines is excited to present the ABM Thermographic Cart, which brings fast, safe, and efficient temperature screening to your business. Simply set the cart in your monitoring area. Employees and guests need only walk through the detection site, while the system automatically checks for elevated temperatures and face coverings. With everything going on right now, you, your employees, and your guests should be able to focus on what matters most: each other. By implementing this simple solution, you're able to take the pain and risk out of daily temperature screening and get back to keeping your people happy, healthy, and safe. The ABM Thermographic Cart.